We lovingly call this exercise the trainer worship, and you can see why. As riders, we know we need a strong core, but most of us think that means strong abdominals and completely ignore our backs. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find a traditional fitness program that does actually strengthen the back directly. We love this exercise for riders because it gently strengthens the entire back with minimal chance for strain. As with most of the Ride Fit exercises, this one should be performed for 60 seconds. Taryn is now demonstrating some modifications you can use in case you're feeling fatigued or you have a very weak back so that you can continue this exercise for the full 60 seconds. If you feel any strain at all in your low back, simply move your ball forward towards your chest and isolate the motion. That's this week's Ride Fit exercise of the week.